Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Autocad course. This is our sixth lecture of the course. In this lecture, we will discuss some more important commands used in Autocad. Here, first we have Donut command. The main use of Donut command is in mechanical engineering, but it is also useful in civil engineering for some drawings. Let's we draw the donut. We have two methods to draw the donuts. First method is go to draw toolbox here, then go to donut, click on donut. Here this is one option to draw the donut. Press escape to undo this command, and next method we have short key for donut, do donut short key, then click on here. You must read this toolbar message for your command. Here you will see donut specify inside diameter of donut. So first I will click the center for the donut. Here I click the center for the donut. Now he is asking me donut specify inside the diameter. Here it's giving 15 feet by default. So here I can specify by myself. I will specify 10 feet dia of the donut, inside dia of the donut, then click enter. Then again read this message asking donut specify outside diameter of donut. Let me take it 15 feet, then press enter. No, here no asking for donut specify center of the donut. Here now I will click on this drawing. Where I will click, donut will be ready for us. Here you will see I can draw multiple donuts by clicking by mouse. Here you can see. So this is we draw the donut. Inside diameter was 10 feet and outside diameter was 15 feet. Now press escape to undo the command. Here inside diameter from center to here was 10 feet, from center to here outside diameter was 15 feet. So this is how we draw the donut. So next command after donut we have helix command. First we have two methods to draw the helix. Here first is go to draw. Here is the helix option for you. Select it to draw helix command. Second option we have for helix is type HE. Here type HE, short key HEL. Here short key for helix. This is, now I will select it. Here you can see in the message also it's mainly used for drawing the spiral stairs and also for the rings. Click on helix. Here command, no command is active. He must read the message helix specify center point of base. I select the point, then asking for helix base radius or diameter. Now first it is selecting radius. So if you want to draw by diameter, then click on diameter, but I will go with the radius. You can click anywhere here to make radius by yourself. Here it is 24 feet, but you can also type here the radius to draw the helix. First I will select the base radius. This is called base radius. I can select, I select here, I click here, I selected base radius. Next asking here you must read helix specify top radius, means next radius inside the first one. You can select the top radius inside the here to show these spirals in helix command, or you can draw outside the base radius. You can see, just click there or type here. You you can type also radius. Top radius is called top radius. Now I will select it inside. So this is how. Then press enter. You can see this is helix command. Next again I will show you more features in helix command. HEL shortcut for helix. Click here, then click base radius, then click top radius outside. Let me know, click it outside. Then he is asking for here some option for you: axis, endpoint, turn, height, twist. So you can have there multiple option for your helix command here to draw the spirals. Here I will select axis. Now I can turn it in axis, y axis. Here y axis, x axis, I can turn it. So I will draw here. You will see. Press F8 to draw it at angle. To make the ortho mode off, switch off the ortho mode. Here we can draw it at angle also. So this is another option for the helix. Helix command is mainly used for spiral stairs and rings. Next command we have table. We have different method to draw the table in our AutoCAD. First I will discuss the purpose of table. Here we make different schedule of works in for our drawings, like schedule of doors and windows, bar bending schedule. So for such kind of work we need to draw the table to make the schedules of work. So for that we draw the tables. I show you the method to draw the table. First go to draw option, and here you have the table. So first method was just click on the table here, draw option. Second method we have this draw. Click on this option on the left, you can see, to draw the table. Here is the insert table window is open. And next third method we have type table, TA. Here let me show you. Type table, tab, you will type tab. Here it will shown to you table option. So click on it to insert the table. Here on insert table window I will show you different options. Here you can select the start from empty table if you want to draw new table by your desired row and column width and row height. And if you already have a table in Excel sheet, then you can here upload it from here, from the Excel sheet. You can also create here from the Excel, and you can give the link also, and you can upload the table in the AutoCAD from the Excel sheet. This is how you can export the table from Excel sheet to the AutoCAD. This is very useful. I recommend that on Excel sheet it's easy to make the bar bending schedule of doors and windows. Make there and just insert the table from Excel to the AutoCAD. Otherwise, now I will show you the method to draw the table on AutoCAD. Here just click on start from empty table. Then if we require 5 columns, let we assume that we require 5 columns in our table and 5 rows in our table, and the column width is 8 inch and row height is 8 inch. Let me take it, then click here, then select the insert the table where you want. Just click by mouse, left click by mouse, then click here OK. Now you will see our table is ready. Its size was small, so that the table is ready. Here 1 2 3 4 5. We have here, I want to show you that we have 1 2 3 4 5 column and 5 rows. This is the, you can see, first we select here set cell style. In first we will select the title. We can also select header, we can also select title, we can select data, but in our case, in most of the cases we select title, like bar bending schedule title, like schedule of doors and window title, and next we select the header, like type of the door, size of the door, and next seal level, description. So we type the header. This is the preview which you set here for your table, and next we required header row. This is not included in this 5, so this is separate from this 5 column and 5 row. Title and header, next we require 5 column and row, so that's why here you can see same. And the last, all other row cell style is data. We want to enter data in others. Click OK. Here our table is already, we made it. I will now press escape to undo this command, because I already did it. Here our table is, so we just inserted the table. Now I will type in the table. Here I will show you. I click on the table. I click on here. These are the cells. Actually table is the combination of cells in the column, cells in the row. So here when you click any cell in the column, in the table, you can here see different options in table. Here you can insert row above this cell, you can insert row, new row below this cell, you can delete this cell also, this row also, complete row. You can then insert column to the left from this cell, you can insert column to the right to this cell by selecting the cell. So this is the option. You can delete this column also. So there you have different options to edit them. You can merge cell to each other when you type in them. Next you can select their color also of the cell. Here you will select the color for your cell, it will change. So here you can select the different cell to edit them. Here you can select the cell borders also, their line weight, line type, color, you can change the color, text size, you can change its color, you can change these are the options. And next we have alignment option. Here I will write, no, I will show you. Here I will write schedule. We will prepare the schedule of doors and windows in this doors and windows, schedule of doors and windows. No, you will say that I added the text in the title. What title is schedule of doors and windows. We can also change its size also of the text. Here I will show you. You can change its size. Let me take it 1 inch. Then click OK. Now see our size of the style. Okay. Text color is changed. You can change its text type, different text, and here you can select size and you can bold it. Let me bold this. You can bold your click about it. Now our this title is bold. You can make other editing on your text. You can see here in options. Okay. Now I will show you in the table. Here we see the different options here. Alignment, we were on the alignment. Here middle center, we will select middle center alignment. Here this is our text, I selected the text. Okay, I selected this cell in the table. Here it is in middle center. I can align it at top left, top center. These are different options. Here next we have option to lock the our format. I can lock the format. Here I will select on content lock. No, I cannot make the editing in this, because you will see this lock. You will see this lock on the cursor, that this cell is locked. It cannot be changed. So this is how you can lock and unlock it. Also I will show you. Now you can again unlock it. You can lock your whole table also. You can lock your format lock, so format will not change. So these are different options. Here this is the option data format. You can, sometimes you need to enter the data format text, sometimes you need to enter the whole number, sometimes you need to decimal number, sometimes angle, sometimes currency. For rates you need to add the currency. So these are, you can, sometimes you need to enter the date. These are different options to enter the data. So here insert, you can insert the block in your column, in your cell also. Now I will show you. I select this cell, I can insert the block. I already made different blocks in our previous lectures. Now I will enter the block here. When we are preparing the schedule of doors and windows, if you have the block of door and window shape, you made it block, and you can insert here the shape also in the table of the schedule of doors and windows, and it is very helpful. Like if you want to make the bar bending schedule, you can insert the block of shapes of steel bars to make clear. So here I will insert this block. Here top left, option 2 at the middle center, let me select OK. You will see, so block is entered in the cell. So this is how you can enter the block in the cell. Now I am going to delete it. The purpose was to just to show you, when we are defining the, here you have different options. When we are defining the bar bending schedule or schedule of doors and windows, you can make another column for their shapes. You can insert their shapes block in it to make clear bar bending schedule. You can see the drawings of the site also. The architecture made the drawing. They show the shapes of bar bending schedule in the bar bend schedules of bar bending. So here next we make the schedule to show you guys. So our title is schedule of doors and windows. Next, in first row we have serial number set S.NO. Okay, S.NO serial number. In next, these are the rows for header. So next we have type of door, type of schedule of doors and windows. Here next column we have, let me select size. Next we have seal level. Here was just purpose was to teach you how you can make the bar bending schedule or schedule of doors and windows using the table. in the AutoCAD. This is also use of table and purpose of table. Here we give the description to our materials. Description. Well, no, I will select first serial number 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Okay. Then 4. Okay. Then 5th. We have 5 number. Here you can align them. Just select all these. I know I will align them at the center, middle center. You can see this is the editing in the table. You can edit their text also. Okay, so these are different. In the type, I will first select D1. That means capitalize it. D1. Here we have D2. Next we have D3. Door type D1. We have different multiple doors in our building, so that's why we selecting D1 type, D2 type, D3 type. And here I will now show you window W1. Okay, this is how we make the bar bending schedule in the table. Schedule of doors and window. You can also make the bar bending schedule. Here I will select window 2 type. Here you go. Now I can align them. So straight. No, I can align them in the middle center. You see here. Size of the door. Size of the door 5 feet. 5 feet by 7 feet. This is the size for a door. Let me copy it. Press OK. I can paste it. If your size is changed, you can select change size. This is just to show you how you can work in the table to make schedules. For window we have size. Let me insert the size here. For window let me take the size of window 7 feet. That our window will be very big size. Okay, 6 feet. Then click. This is just example to show you guys. You can copy this text, copy it, select this same here, paste, or here, paste. So in next column you will select seal level. So how much your door is above the seal level. So this is column for that. Let me select here 0 feet. Here we also add the inches. In the size we also add the inches. I did not. The purpose was just to show you 0 feet, 0 inches, like that. If we have 0 inch, then we just enter the 0 after 5 feet, but we enter the inch also. Must remember it. For door we have seal level 0.0 feet, 0 inches. Seal level means that our door is how much above the sea level. Here Now I will copy paste the C level for door. Here C level for window is here 0.1. Let me select 1 feet. This is just the example. 1 feet, 1 feet 0. So now let me align it in align here. In this option, go to align middle center. So I aligned it now. Next, in the description, type here that our door is, let me select, this is panel door. Panel door, here I will select the steel door. These are the types of doors. Steel door, this is aluminium door. Aluminium door. So here we have for window we have aluminium. This window of aluminium. Same for this. So this is, let me make it clear, visible to you guys. Let me align it at the center, middle center. Now I will show you. We just prepare the schedule of doors and windows. Now you can edit it also. We select different doors and different windows and we make the schedule of doors and windows in AutoCAD. But here I have suggestion that made the schedule of any kind, barbending schedule of doors and window on your Excel sheet, then insert from the Excel sheet, because we have multiple options in the Excel sheet. Thanks for watching this lecture. Please stay tuned for next.